been more like a brother. Every day, every minute, there's a shower of love I feel. Something I used to just imagine, I tell you now it's all for real. That's why I shout for joy, sing His praises, lift my voice unto the Lord. Shout for joy, sing His praises, lift my voice unto the Lord. Yeah. Now, in case you've forgotten, it's a free gift, you know. It's been an open invitation for every man or woman, every boy or girl, people from every nation, looking up onto the heavens, praising God for what He's done. Ooh, I can hear the chorus singing in their own native tongue. You gotta tell joy, sing His praises, lift your voice unto the Lord. Shout for joy, tell Him all about it. Lift your voice and let it know. Shout for joy, sing His praises, lift your voice unto the Lord. Shout for joy, you gotta tell Him all about it. Lift your voice unto the Lord.
Then is by the door of your heart. Open up and make a brand new start.
Like He said, when you see He's providing.
Think again if you want to refuse everything to gain and nothing to lose.
I believe you know just what I mean. Hey, it's the truth. I'm telling you it's real. It's something I believe the world should feel. I think we know all the facts. There's only one who wanna put us back on the right track. People in the west, east, north, and south. People that think I'm just blabbing my mouth. It ain't gonna work. I'm never gonna give it up. Telling people what they should definitely know about.